Hi everyone and welcome to Introduction to Power BI. We're going to be using a data set which we're going to provide you with based on college completion rates, as it says, fictional. The data set has 10,000 rows of data on college completion rates across a range of SCQF levels and colleges in Scotland. As it said, Power BI beginners, but you do need a good grounding in Excel first. Power BI Desktop's only available for Windows, and the minimum requirements, although Microsoft says 2 gig of RAM, I would suggest at least 4. I'm sitting here with 16 gig here. It's a big power hungry application. I'll let you read that through. That's a sort of overview of what Power BI is. Industry standard software, probably one of the most requested softwares out there. Two versions, desktop and service, and listen, this confuses everyone. The desktop, that's the one we're going to be using. That's the big application where we do all the transformation, create the dashboards. Then we publish to Power BI service, which you've probably seen within your 365 account. Very important, planning. Don't just jump right in. Do you understand the data set? Do you know what you're looking for? Who are we doing the report for? So here's a little snapshot of the data set we provided for you. Contains a breakdown of courses, completion rates, colleges, cities, regions, and a few other bits and pieces. And we want to compare completion rates across colleges and see which of the delivery methods have the best completion rates. So, setup. Create a folder in your OneDrive called PBI completion rates. As it says, I prefix the folders with the respective year just to tidy up my OneDrive a wee bit. It's entirely up to yourself. And Power BI works, you don't copy and paste the data in, you connect to the data set. So try and keep everything in one folder and don't move it. So download the starter set, save it into your new folder, and make sure the file's closed. We can't connect while it's open. When we open Power BI Desktop, it now looks like this. There are always updates and so on, so that's what it looks like now. So you're going to click blank report, and the same way with Excel, you can have multiple pages within your report. You've got 4 views. Report view, they're all empty at the moment, obviously. We haven't put any data in. This is where we build our visualizations. You've then got table view, used to be called data view. And then once the data is in there, we can see all the various data sets. Model view, that's where it gets really powerful and you join all your data sets together. And then DAX query view. Power BI is built in a code called DAX. We're not going to be touching on that in this case, but that's where you enter your own custom code. Various ways, but we're just going to go import data from Excel and then go and find wherever you put your starter file. Sorry about this. You need plenty of this. Yeah. Ah, well, you do need a lot of patience. Power BI, as it says, big power hungry application, and depending upon your PC and so on, it does take a bit. Anyway, when you select it, you'll be asked which of those tables you want to bring in. In this case, just DEC report. We're not going to transform anything at this case, just press load. Once loaded, on the right hand side in the data pane, open the wee chevron and you'll see all the fields that are in your data set. You'll notice some have a little sigma sign. That denotes a number field and set to sum, and the ones that don't are typically text or calendar. There's not an auto-save in Power BI, so first things first, file save as, and I always keep the Power BI file in the same folders where the data sets are, just for completeness and I know where we are. All right, so that'll do for just now. Have a wee break and we'll come back. Thank you very much.